What's up, guys? I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson Rigg, and today we're in the parking lot of J&P Cycles at the 2022 Daytona Bike Week. We're also here in front of S&S, who was kind enough to loan us an Allen wrench so we can get this installation started. Now this here is Kevin from Hard Drive. Now Kevin, what is Hard Drive?
We're the leading parts and accessories distributor for V-twin motorcycles.
It's awesome. So speaking about V-twin motorcycles, today we're talking about putting luggage on a motorcycle that typically you don't see a lot of luggage on. So Nelson Rigg developed these Road Trip Saddlebags to go easily onto motorcycles that typically don't wear luggage. My favorite thing is they look amazing on the motorcycle. Why are you choosing to go with these bags?
So I love the modularity. Modularity is key in my opinion. I want to be able to take things off. A lot of times I need stuff. I come out to a big event like this, I got a ton of crap I'm carrying around with me. However, when I go out for just a regular ride, I'll pop them off, or if I know, even just for getting any cleaning.
Right.
It works great to be able to get things off and get it cleaned real nice and easy.
So today we're gonna jump around and we're gonna show you just how easy this installation is. Now, Kevin, these are your bags. You've been running for about a year now. You put them on Sturgis last year.
Installation and removal is easy. These ones actually have been taken on and off 100 times, just because I show people how to install them and take them off and all that good stuff.
Now you're gonna notice that Kevin has longer bolt and spacers than we typically see on this installation. That's because he has the sissy bar that bolts on and off of the bike, or moves on and off the bike. Installation, super simple. We literally pull out the stock bolt, throw this guy underneath, and put the stock bolt back in. So at this stage in the game, we're gonna go ahead and zip these two saddlebags together. So Kevin's already had these installed on his bike previously, but what you would do as your first step is you'd go ahead and set one of the bags on and kind of position it onto the bracket right here, down here. You'd snap that into place, and then you bring the other one over and do the same thing, snap that in place. You would then adjust your hook and loop here on the top, bringing these bags up to the perfect mounting location. We're now gonna take this hook and loop, we're gonna come in from the bottom here, come through our supporting bracket. We're gonna pull down and affix. All right, now that we have the bags installed, let's talk about some of the features and benefits. Now, a key feature is the fact that these are made of UltraMax material. UltraMax is a proprietary material that Nelson Rigg has created in order to be able to make these things UV resistant and fade resistant. Now, these bags feature a lifetime warranty. That's right, something fails on the bag, we replace it for free. All right, the top of these bags have a lockable zipper, so you simply lock those together and you won't have one side of the zipper migrating away from the other side. Pretty cool feature. Now, opening the bag up, we have 9.5 liters of storage on each side of the bag. Now, that's the internal storage. There's a little zippered pocket right here that's mesh that allows you to see what you have on the inside of the bag. Right here on the outside of the bag, this is not included in the 9.5 liters of storage. Just a little bit of extra space here on the outside. Also in the bag, we have a rain cover. Each side of the bike has its own specific rain cover. Now, this rain cover has been specifically made to give you the perfect fit. MOLLE panels on 3 sides of the bags that you can mount any MOLLE capable accessory. You can mount our optional or accessory water bottle or fuel bottle holder. Now, throughout the last year of riding with these bags, anything you want to tell the prospective end user?
These things have seen a ton of sun out in Idaho, out in the desert. It beats down on you pretty bad. They hold up nice and true in black, and they work great for me.
Now, these Road Trip Saddlebags fit most all Dynas and Softails, depending on the type of modifications that you may have made to your motorcycle. But take a look at nelsonrigg.com, you'll find the fit chart. There you go, the Road Trip Saddlebags from Nelson Rigg. I'm Kyle, this is Kevin. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.